up, I'm taking the Milk Makeup Hydro Primer. I love this primer. It sits on the skin really great, and it really does make the foundation stick to it. And then I'm going to take the Milk Makeup Flex Foundation. Sorry, this child is so distracting. And I'm just going to blend it in my skin. I love this foundation. It's really wearable, like day to day. It blends nice. It doesn't sit like really heavy and thick on you. I like it a lot. And I'm taking the new Honey by Urban Decay palette. And this is such a beautiful palette. You guys are going to love it. Oh my gosh. The colors are just incredible, and they're gonna look beautiful on everybody, I promise you. So I'm starting off how I start every eye, like a little bit of a bone shade, and then I'm popping on a little bit more of a tan color. I'm just really blending them all together back and forth just to, you know, get some depth. Then I'm taking this color, and it's so pretty. It's like this burnt tan color, but there's like pops of green in it. It almost reminds me of like a granite countertop. I know, I'm strange. It doesn't even make sense, but I love it. But I'm using my finger to swipe it onto my lid just because it's just easy that way, really. And I got no fallout. I was surprised. Then I'm taking more of this like shade that's like really auburn. These colors just remind me of fall, and I wanted to do something dark and sultry and wintertime inspired. So yeah, just definitely blend it, blend it, blend it. Then I'm going to take a deeper, darker color. It's the darkest one in the palette. And this is where I'm going to like really smoke my eyes out, and just take your time, buff it all in. And I'm just going to go in like a upside down C, I guess, like all around my eyes, kind of like a moon shape. And I'm just going to really, really blend that into my crease. And this is what's going to give you that really deep, dark, wintry inspired look. I'm so excited for these colors. I feel like this palette is an awesome summer palette, but then it's an awesome winter palette too. Like you can really do like bright, bright colors, and then you can also do really fun, like deep, intense, dark colors. Then I'm going to take this Milk Makeup Concealer, and this is one of their new shades. This is vanilla, and it's definitely got a nice brightening effect, which I love. And then I'm going to blend it out like I always do. Side note, sorry if you hear my kids in the background. I get no privacy in this house. I'm telling you, they're always near me. I'm going to set my face with the new CoverGirl True Blend Powder. It's kind of like banana powder. It reminds me so much of Dermablend, but half the price. Then I'm taking the Givenchy new Glow Powder. It looks so beautiful on the skin. It really warms your face up, but gives you a nice little healthy glow along with it. Taking the new Salon Perfect lashes. You can find them at Walmart. They teamed up with Brittany Bear, and they're so beautiful. This is by Sourmet, this liner. It's so pretty. It's like a deep dark red. Underneath the eyes, I did the same thing with all the transition shades. There's really nothing to it. This is the new Milk Makeup Highlighter in the lid. It's so pretty. It's probably my new favorite between that and the new Pure Barbie one. Like, I just love the way they look on the skin. And honestly, that's it. I sprayed my face with the Iconic setting spray, but that really wasn't new, so I just kind of breezed through it. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you guys soon.